Trying to figure out how you can go ahead and get Snapchat on your Apple Watch. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. Snapchat now has a dedicated Apple Watch application, so it's very easy to do. So, what you want to do first is you want to tap on your digital crown that's on the right side of your Apple Watch to get into your app library, and you want to find the App Store icon, which is right here. So tap inside of that App Store icon, and all we're going to want to do is click on the search bar that's in the top left right up here, and we want to type in or voice into Snapchat. So if your thing has a keyboard, you can just type in Snapchat like this. I'm surprised it's even this accurate. And I also feel like this keyboard on the Apple Watch is actually more accurate than on the iPhone. So type in Snapchat as good as you can, and then once you're done, click on the search button, and then it's going to start searching for Snapchat or similar things to Snapchat. The Snapchat application should show up like this, so you should be able to view it and see it like this. So now what you can do is click on open, and it will open up the Snapchat application on your Apple Watch. So now you should be able to log in, you should be able to go and use it. It's probably going to take some time to load. And after logging in and equipping it, you should be able to use the Snapchat application on your Apple Watch. So that's basically how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, soul.